Alright, today at Sycotech Labs, we're going to finish up the Phantom project. That right there. We're going to replace it because it's a known trouble spot. And I think we got enough room to put that in its place. So we're going to do a feasibility study this afternoon. We're going to take some exact measurements. We're going to go through it. We're going to see what we can do. So catch me after a bit. Alrighty, well, you don't quite have enough capacitance between both of those to actually pull this off. So we're going to go ahead, put the case on it, have them run it the way it is. It should be fine. And then somewhere along the line I'll come up with a little bit bigger capacitor. I needed about 275 picofarad to get it to balance the tank or the pi network on that end, and that's about what we got, which isn't, and that's with that big capacitor all the way close, all fins meshed. Not gonna work, man. So there we will. We're gonna go ahead and put the case on it and give it another run. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and warm this thing up and hammer it for a little bit. I'm gonna plug in our water-cooled dummy load. That might be a good thing, especially since we've been keening for a while. Okay, the Sycotech Lab's 10-tube Phantom. What we did is we took a 12-tube triple stage Phantom. We took out all that triple stage stuff and stripped her down, rebuilt the whole thing. We wanted to replace that antenna load, but we didn't quite have enough capacitance value to pull that off. So it should be good the way it is, you know, until I can come up with something else to put in it. That antenna load's in really good shape. It's never been arced, so we're going to let it warm up for a little bit, put it through its paces, and then we're going to call it a day. Minuteman's supposed to come tomorrow and pick this thing up, so hopefully it's going to hold up through this thrashing session that we're going to do to it. Alright. After it. Audio. 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 Now we're cooking with gas. Audio. Audio. Hello, radio. Hello. Audio. Okay, so sideband delay is working. Hello. Keeping up all the time. Audio. 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 High power is working. Oh yeah. Oh just going to thrash it on low power. Audio, 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 audio. Check, check, check. Hello, hello. So it's all running nice and cool. Ice cold above the transformers. You can feel the air drawing in from those fans. So our cooling solution seems to be working good even with the case on. So we converted it to 3 driving 7. That's going to take the load off the transformers. 12 tube Phantoms like to burn up transformers because they actually had like 2 tubes too many. Thus the 10 tube Phantom came along. That worked out really good. 12 tube Phantoms like to burn up the transformers, and we had one of them that was damaged when we first started working on it, and it went up in smoke. So yeah, that's the second transformer that's been replaced in this. One was replaced before I worked on it. So we've simplified the controls. Very stable on tuning. When you key up, it puts out the same numbers every time you key up. A lot of people's linears, they'll key up and then the power will start going up, up, up. That's because the tubes are cherrying up because it's not done right. So you don't want that. Well, we're wrapping it up. Sycotech Lab's 10 tube Phantom build. Basically, we took a rusty, crusty chassis. It pretty much had some good tubes in it, and everything else was roached. We built a whole different linear out of it. One that's more stable. Yeah. Also, cutting down to 3 driver tubes means it takes less power to drive this thing. If you're running 4 driving 6, you're going to overload the final stage. You're going to have crunchy audio. You can see this thing's got lots of swing. That's because we went with 3 driving 7. I'm putting out 2 watts swinging 12 to 14. That's what we're inputting it to. So you can drive it harder. I mean, it'll take more drive. Anyway, thanks everybody for watching my videos. Y'all have a good day. Wrapping this up. The Sycotech Labs 10 tube Phantom build. See y'all later. Sycotech Labs over and out.